OSHA event, Sucumbíos, Ecuador, May 23, 2014, 11:30 a.m. Two crew members were in the process of cleaning the sand traps under the shakers. They were using the Wilden air-operated pump for this task. After completing the tasks, they were moving the 89-kilogram Wilden pump to the normal storage area, close to the number 3 shaker, using the walkway behind the shakers. Due to the limited space between the shakers and the handrail, they decided to lift the pump over the number 3 shaker. While lowering the Wilden pump, the injured person miscalculated the weight of the pump assembly, and as he dropped the pump, due to the weight, he smashed his right ring finger between the handle of the pump as the moving object and the edge of the shaker as the fixed object. The blow resulted in an open wound on his finger, requiring 8 stitches to close the wound by the rig medic. The rig medic recommended the injured person be evacuated to a medic facility to be examined by a specialist. Corrective actions taken after the event. Share this event with all crews, requesting input and ideas to improve the process and to avoid recurrence. Modify the GSA clean mud tanks without having to move the Wilden air pump, and add lessons learned. Designate an area for the air pump to be set without having to move the pump from pit to pit to clean the tanks. Order and maintain a stock of hoses with sufficient length to clean the mud tanks without having to leave the air pump assembly.